SharpJet split-type aircon repair indoor blower replacement at PH2 Beverly Homes Hugo Paris Tree Smart Tires City Cavite.